Welcome back to Simple Physique. This empty box is the evidence from yesterday's epic donut cheat day review, and I probably have enough carbs in my system for the next 2 years. So, for the last 2 weeks of my current fat loss journey, I have decided to implement a low-carb lifestyle into these final weeks. As I lower my calories, I tend to have those calories I remove come from carbohydrates. You can absolutely lose weight while eating plenty of carbs. If you like the low-carb lifestyle, nothing wrong with that. It's just not for me when it comes to long-term dieting and sustainability. Anyway, I thought it would be cool to show you all how I shop for the low-carb lifestyle and how I keep things delicious and filling. To be perfectly frank, the place I've been shopping lately kind of gives me the heebie-jeebies, and I don't like to spend too much time there, but it's got a certain aisle that has some of my secrets to enjoying a diet. I also want to keep this video short and sweet, so let's head out. Wait. Did you subscribe yet? You did. You didn't. You did? You didn't? Yes? No? You did? Oh, you did. Okay, good. Let's go. Boom. My secret to low-carb dieting. Just kidding. I can't think about donuts right now. I'm done with donuts for the next, let's be realistic, probably a week. And this is the place. So let's get in, get out, and get this over with. Don't even think about it. And this is the aisle where my secrets lie. That does it for my shopping list. Let's get out of here. We're back. Let's get this going because none of us have time to just create and watch YouTube videos all day. Okay, so we need a life. Fine. As you saw, I got most of everything at Walmart because their condiment section is insane. And their selection of low-calorie salad dressings and ketchup, sauces, they just make things so easy to stick to a diet for me because dressings and condiments, those are the things that make food taste delicious, but they also add a ton of calories. So if you can find low-calorie options, go find those and make them part of your diet because they make things so easy. We're gonna do this in proteins, veggies, where most of our carbs are gonna be coming from in a low carb lifestyle, and healthy fats, and then my favorite, of course, the condiments. First thing on the list, turkey breast tenderloins. It's 1.5 pounds, and I'm inherently lazy, so if I don't have to weigh anything, I won't. And I just split this in between 6 meals, and I know that each time I have a meal, it's 4 ounces. Egg beaters, and also actual eggs because I like the fats that come from here. Adds a little bit more flavor. This keeps the calories down. We're good to go. Great source of protein and healthy fats, Atlantic salmon. I just love the taste of salmon. It's super easy to cook. A little salt, pepper, maybe some seasoning, garlic, whatever. Nothing crazy. 0% Greek yogurt here. I generally get the large ones, but they didn't have any. The large one has 6 servings. These have 3 each, so it's about the same. Again, I don't measure anything because I just split this into 6 servings and I'm good to go. If you've seen any of my recent videos, you know that I love my cheesecake filling, and this is the base, this is the staple, this is where I get my dessert from. So it's not like I'm just eating like plain yogurt. I don't mess around with that. I make this delicious, and we'll get to what I use to make it delicious in a moment. Now to what most people might consider the most boring part of any diet, the veggies. But it doesn't have to be terrible. It doesn't have to be bland and boring. First off, spinach fills up the salad, makes it huge, and makes me not hungry after I eat it. Mushrooms, and I will stir fry these with other veggies. Onions, love to saute my onions. Yellow onions, white onions, red onions, sweet onions, doesn't matter. They're all onions. Squash. It's just a good filler for a good stir fry. Just adds volume. They're super low calorie. Cucumbers and tomatoes. I just use these for my salad. Again, I'm lazy, so I just get the little bite-sized ones and I just toss them in. Avocados. Here's an awesome hack with avocados. Avocados go bad pretty fast and easy if you're not watching, right? Once they're perfectly ripened, stick them in the fridge. If you stick them in the fridge, they will stay perfectly ripe for, I'm not kidding, weeks. This trick will keep your avocados ripe for like what seems like forever. Holy moly, guacamole little cup things. They're 120 calories per serving. You may have seen these in one of my other videos. I generally use these for my wraps. Now, the only real source of carbs that I'm getting, aside from the veggies, are from these Olay Extreme Wellness High Fiber Carb Lean Tortilla Wraps with 50 calories, 15 grams of carbs, but 11 of that is from fiber, so it's really only 4 net carbs. Olives. I love throw olives in my salad. It's not your thing, it's not your thing, it's my thing. And the time has come for my favorite part of this video, because it's what keeps things delicious. Most of the stuff you can get at Walmart. I'll let you know the things that aren't available there. It's just a couple items. First on the list is this G. Hughes. I don't know who he is, but he is awesome. He has saved me. Sugar-free sauces, ketchups, dressings. Walmart has a huge selection of G. Hughes items. 10 calories a serving for the barbecue sauce, 5 calories a serving for the marinade, and for the ketchup, lifesaver. Skinny girl dressings, because I'm trying to watch my girlish figure. I can do that because these things have 5-10 calories a serving. They've got all sorts of flavors. They've got ranch, poppy seed, honey mustard, I think. I've never actually tried this raspberry vinaigrette. Walden Farms products. This Chipotle ranch dressing. It's all 0 calories. Then I also have this caramel syrup from Walden Farms. This one I got at Vitamin Shop. You can also go online and get it. They've got chocolate syrup, pancake syrup. They got a whole ton of stuff. These are fun things to keep your diet delicious. Sugar-free Hershey's syrup. I'll make some chocolate milk with some unsweetened cashew milk. Low-calorie, sugar-free syrup. This one you can find at Ralph's and Kroger and stuff. Walmart does have a low-calorie, low-sugar syrup. The no-sugar syrup at Walmart is 15 calories. These are 5 calories. I just make an extra stop and I go get Maple Grove Farm low-calorie, sugar-free syrup. Sugar-free, fat-free, cheesecake flavored Jell-O pudding mix. You mix this with the 0% Greek yogurt. And what do you have? Freaking cheesecake, yo. Powdered peanut butter. This is just a great way to get peanut butter taste without all the calories. Peanut butter itself is low carb, but when you get the powdered peanut butter, it's also low calorie. Dark chocolate is fairly low carb. I just have a couple pieces, but I keep this in the freezer when I need a chocolate fix. I recently started getting Molly McButter. I'll just toss it in like my stir fries and my eggs. Just adds like a nice little butter flavor without the calories. This is like powdered butter. Vegetable oil spray. We're all familiar with this. These things say 0 calories. There's calories in here. Be a little modest with this. Unsweetened cashew milk. I'll also use this for my protein shakes that I make, just in case you're interested. This is a whey isolate. It's a Fruity Pebbles flavored because I love cereal and I love Fruity Pebbles. Whenever I'm making a shake of any kind, I'll usually use cashew milk. Yay, cashew milk. And finally, I love soda when I have my meals. I just love that bubbly vibe. These are called bubbly. You can get La Croix too, whatever floats your boat. I get these little things. 0 calorie flavor enhancers. They also have a company called Mio. Here's the Mio version. This is like the Walmart Great Value version. They're all the same thing. They have tons of different flavors. Give these a shot if you want. They're cool. Look, everything I just showed you is pretty much what I include in a moderate carb diet anyways. The only difference is I'm not getting carbs from fruits like bananas and blueberries, which I love, oatmeal, my French toast that I have every morning, potatoes, and what's the other thing that I have? Popcorn. Those things are where I get most of my carbs, so I'm just cutting those out for the next 2 weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it informed you. I hope that maybe it inspires you to be able to get a little creative in the kitchen. Those condiments, man, that's where it's at. It really makes dieting so easy. Go to Walmart, pick up some Skinny Girl, some Walden Farms, and some G. Hughes, and you can thank me later. All right, guys, see you on the next one.